Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on the first one, settings bar here. So here we can manage the ratio of this camera. Now we are in 3:4 ratio. Let's pick 1:1. As you can see, the background has changed to the square one, and this is how it looks like. When we go back to the settings in the right corner, we can also pick 9:16 ratio, and this is the longer one. As you can see, this is how it works here. And also here in the settings we have the full aspect ratio from the right, and in the camera preview it looks like that. Of course, when we tap on it once again, we can easily go back to 3:4, the original one. And that's all. This is how to change this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.